Environmental Regulatory Affairs Specialist by trade, and I'd like to talk about environmental literacy. We heard at the start of this meeting a wonderful young student who's happened to take AP Environmental Science. I highly recommend that students in Prince George's County become educated, along with the Board of Education, on the importance and on understanding the public health threat of electromagnetic fields. I'd like to recommend 3 books for the AP Environmental Education program. The first is called Public Health SOS, The Shadow Side of the Wireless Revolution. 110 questions on electromagnetic pollution from a forum at the Commonwealth Club of California. The book that I'm recommending is a very good book because it has questions and answers and is an easy read. It's by Camila Rees and Magda Havas. The next book, which would go for the middle school, is called Disconnect, and I also recommend it to the Board of Education. And this book is written by Deborah Davis. The third book would be more appropriate for the AP students, and it's called Cell Towers, Wireless Convenience or Environmental Hazard, Proceedings of the Cell Towers Forum, State of the Science, State of the Law. One of the great things about the cell tower book, Wireless Convenience or Environmental Hazard, is that it has a lot of the legal issues that are surrounding the FCC and the Telecommunications Act. And it will help people who read it understand that the FCC guidelines that we currently have in place are based on an average 30-minute exposure of the general public. When these guidelines were first implemented, the public was not exposed to microwave radiation unless they lived near a military base, a shipping route, or an airport where radar was used. The only other exposure was from microwave ovens. However, since the 1980s, our exposure to microwave radiation has been increasing exponentially. Living and learning under the antennas means hours of exposure each and every day. Students need to learn that they shouldn't, especially girls, we need to pass this message on to everybody. If everyone tells one person, puts it on Facebook, do not put cell phones in your bra. It can cause breast cancer. This is not a commercial you'll see during the Super Bowl. This is not a commercial you'll see anywhere, but you must tell every woman and every girl and every sister and every mother and every cousin not to put a cell phone in their bra. This is an environmental literacy issue, and it's a human health crisis in the making. You also must tell our young boys not to keep their cell phones in the same pocket to try and carry a bag or something else. We need to have environmental literacy on RF exposure. Thank you for your time.
Thank you.